Want to know how to increase enemy stun chances in events? Well, no worries. If you want to stun enemies more often, I'm going to show you and explain you how you can increase them easily. So first, simply pick units with stun abilities or immense damage passive skills. So linking them with compatible units can also increase chances. Some items and events temporarily boost stun rates. Use them strategically, and during hard or boss fights, stun can actually break rotations or prevent super attacks by giving you an advantage. Make sure to level up hidden potential nodes that enhance stun by chance too, by stacking units, items, and even boosts. You can reliably stun enemies and control the flow of battle. Timing and planning are everything here. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.